Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Andres, say hi. TGIF with Daddy. Daddy gonna go to Racket. Marakit siya. Ay para may bakal kami bugas. Right? Daddy say yes. This is our vlog 105. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Say hi. So we are using the truck kasi mag-mower siya sa nanay ng amo ko. There. Right, Daddy? But we will not go with him. He'll just drop us there in the store to see something. Maano kami anay ni Andres. Malingaw-lingaw kami anay ni Andres. Manataw-lantaw kami sa kilid-kilid. Kung may makitaan kami nga mga tag 50 cents, 50 cents. Kasi may makitaan na mga 50 cents. Tapos balikan na kami karon Daddy. Okay? Not yet. Okay? Okay. So, see you later. So, there you go. Daddy gonna drop by here in Marshall's HomeSense. Malantaw-lantaw kami ni Andres kung ano ang kaayuhan. Okay, there you go. See you later. So, kay TGIF Subong, nahapit kami din ni Daddy. Gat lang kami. Kung anong makita namon di. I will not picture. I will just
You got a picture of the store.
Wow. We are in HomeSense. Ari kami sa HomeSense, guys. Diri sa HomeSense, guys. Tanan nga mga gamit sa loob ng bahay. Makita mo. Tapos sa tabi nila may Marsha. Stop making noise.
Laba-laba. Chicken
So, ikot-ikot kami ni Andres dito sa Marsha. Ay, parang ukay-ukay lang, no? Daming ukay-ukay, oh. Maikot-ikot na di anay liwat sa HomeSense. Tak. Alantaw lang ko sang rag. Wow.
A big rug.
249, 179, 199, 399. Grabe, tako da. Grabe.
Dako.
Yeah. We don't have, we'll see.
Go to the toy.
Maanta ko din isang rag. Okay, you can go down and watch. So I'll just see the rugs in here, okay? Alay, lakad kami ni Andres. We're gonna go to Walmart. We're gonna buy. Babay kami ng
McDonald's.
what you gonna buy?
McDonald's.
Babay kami McDonald's. Kaya nagutom na siya. Malibot-libot kami Andres. Galing kaya ining batang kuritoy ay gutom na. Makaon siya daw french fries. May bakal kami sang aming panakot sa Biko.
I don't want McDonald's.
Mat maybe gana hapit na sa sport chick.
No, McDonald's first.
Layo pa to sa Walmart siya, oh. Ara lang sport chick, kumapit lang ta, maliit lang ta. So, ang 30th ni gani sa Southeast, malapit sa amin, sa Copperfield. So, ito yung market ng mga tao dito. Ayan. So, dumaan dito sa dollar store na. So, want to get inside or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Wanna get inside.
What side? I want to buy something.
Oh, here ka. Okay, pagbungad mo, flag agad. Ay, kaya dali lang gali Canada din. May, June, July. Stay here. Where? Here ka.
Then I want this blue one there. I mean the red one.
This one?
Yeah.
Aring red one yun, oh. Oh, just hold lang kay payaran. Tapa na. Okay? Kamo to camping. Ang lights na bala sa gabi, bala dring naga lights.
Nights by itself.
Uh-huh. PS playing for this one. Like this. You want to buy? To play with Buddy?
No, I'm bad at it.
Play with Buddy in the backyard. We gonna buy glow for our camping. So you have toys there. Play to. Play.
We buy it.
Ito na naman kami sa sport check ni Andres. Tingin-tingin kami dito sa loob. Follow me, ha? May pinapahanap si Manong Bart. I don't know kung mahanap namin dito. Manong Bart said want a cloud daw, cloud. Ano mga Under Armour man di? Na naman kami sa Winners, guys. Why they're putting it there? Okay, just keep going. Sakyan tani anay ang bata nga tamaran maglakat sa cart. Okay. Isip na kayo 5 minutes lang tadi. Okay. Winners niya big. This is Winners. Oh, same lang sila, oh. Same lang, oh. Muna yung napapangita ni Manong Bart sa akon. Cloud. $89. Oh. Yeah. Ari na siya sa McDo. Which one do you like there? Oh, there's no toys inside there.
Yeah.
Because here's your McDonald's. Andres. Here is it. Na.
Hey, we got 3 kids. I want to open my toys.
Kapoy ang bata, ang McDonald's siya.
Dude! Dude!
Okay, so andito na kami last namin destination for today sa may Walmart. Right, Andres?
Yeah. Tayo.
Mabakal kami sa sugar for our Biko. Say
French
Biko.
fries.
Yeah. Oh, relax lang si Andres na. TGIF with always Andres Bacaras. Right? Baka kami gata. That's it. Then, bread ni Daddy. Okay?
Yo!
Daddy, pasa na kami di sa Walmart kay we're done.
Pasa Walmart. We done.
Yeah. Which one? You got the toy? Yeah. We are here inside the Walmart. Back home. Right, Andres? Andres.
This one.
Say bye for now. Thanks for watching. Come on.
And when someone washes their hands,
Bye.
you can literally see and even touch them. Imagine meeting your future